yeah. Look what arrived today. Yeah. It's time to do some unboxing, but I gotta go let the dogs out and change clothes before this. Come on, let's go out. Yeah, let's go out. What's going on, guys? In today's video, we have an unboxing. The first of many, I hope, depending on how much money my wife lets me spend or if you guys hate these videos. So let's find out. As you can see from the title, we got some winter unboxing gear, and I'm also going to reveal some of our hikes that are coming up. So I'm really excited to share that. If you want to check out where we start the unboxing, that's on the screen now, so you can click there. And if you want to click straight to where we reveal some of our future hikes and stuff, now that's on the screen, so you can go to that timestamp. All right. So the situation is, we have basically got into backpacking, and we only had the 3-season stuff. And you maybe could even consider some of my stuff 1 season, warm. And now that I'm going winter backpacking, I need other stuff. But not just me.
I do too.
Get back, Golden Graham. Get down.
Get down.
So, nope, PD. So since we're getting into winter backpacking and we got to get this new gear, we've been dropping some money on it, and yeah, it hurts my wallet.
And my heart.
Yeah, and Bridgette's heart. So I wanted to unbox some of it for you guys today. We got 2 packages in the mail. We got one from REI and one from Amazon. And I think I'm gonna let Bridget open the Amazon one first.
Sounds good to me. Thought I was opening it. Aw, I ripped it. Well, we have to send it back now.
By the way, Bridget will probably leave halfway through the video because she's going to be bored of me talking about gear. Hopefully you don't get bored too.
Are you ready for me to reveal
what's
the
in
first
there?
item?
What's in there?
The first item is a 2-liter platypus splatter for moi.
She likes these things. I actually don't care a whole lot for them because you don't know how much water is in your bladder while you're hiking. I guess you can kind of get a feel for it. Maybe I don't have enough experience with it, but if I run out of water and I don't know where my next water source is or how long it's going to be, that's just bad news for me. So why do you like them so much?
I find it convenient because I don't have to use my hands to do anything besides put the end in my mouth to get a drink out of it. Like, it's so easy for me. And once I put it in there, I just leave it. I don't have to think about it until we stop for the night or we stop at our next water source. So that's why I like it.
So platypus bladder, 2-liter. Weirdly enough, right now on Amazon, the links to everything is going to be below in the description, but the 3-liter is cheaper than the 2-liter. But I thought, nah, I don't want to get the 3-liter because it's more weight to carry. I assume. I didn't even check the weight. All right, what's next?
Item number 2. I'll let you talk about this one.
Oh, I just talked about the last one.
I talked about it too. I don't know a whole lot about this, but it's the Micro Squeeze.
Yeah, this is the Sawyer Micro Squeeze, and recently I watched Tim Watson's review of this. If you want to check it out, I'll link it above. And Tim Watson, he went in and talked about, you know, this micro versus the Sawyer Squeeze Regular, which I like the Sawyer Squeeze Regular. And I don't like the Mini because the flow rate's not as good. But Tim said that the flow rate, he said that, look at it.
You can connect it to all sorts of things.
That's true.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, I'll teach you all about it. Buckle up. Tim said that the flow rate is about the same, maybe a little bit less, I think, than the Sawyer Full. That micro was not, I mean, not the micro, the Mini was just not fast enough for me, straight up. So What I'm gonna do is probably just screw this on top of my smart water bottle, and then if I get to camp and we're camped around a water source, then I can do the gravity fed. All I need is one bladder, and I can hang it up, and you have the tube that goes down.
It will probably be my bladder, just to clarify.
Oh, you're talking about this?
For the gravity feed.
Fill this up?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can fill that up. Clean water, baby. You just open her up. So anyway, yeah, the Sawyer Micro, I'm excited to give it a try. I think right now it's like $27 to $30, and that's about the same price as the Sawyer Full with the bladders and stuff that comes with it. All right.
We have to pick that up.
Careful, you'll mess up the puzzle. Alrighty. Gotta be careful here. Got valuable cargo. First up,
my new mattress pad.
this is the NeoAir Xlite. Let's sit this over here for a minute. Watch out, dogs. Do you know anything about it?
I know that I blow it up with my mouth and it's lighter than the other mattress that I used before.
Yeah, the NeoAir Xlite, in my opinion, they're a little bit expensive, but worth it. And Bridgette, she's 5'5", right?
Yes, but that doesn't mean that I'm really skinny this way.
So, Bridgette wanted the long version, which weighs right at a pound exactly. It may be like 15 and a half ounces or something. And we got the long version because she felt like the pad she uses now, which is 20 inches wide. We bought it on Amazon, just an Amazon special. Cheap. It's only 20 inches wide, and whenever she lay on her back, her elbows, right? Mm-hmm. So this is 25 inches wide, and it's got an R value of 3.2. The other mattress pad that she was using is not insulated at all, so she can use it in the summer, but it's heavier. And this thing, you can see on the screen here the dimensions, but it's longer and wider than the one that she had before, and lighter.
I appreciate it.
And
that.
insulated. And more expensive.
But not a good thing.
In all seriousness though, I have used this exact same pad. Not this one, obviously, we just got it in the mail, but I also have a NeoAir Xlite long version, and I took it down to about 15 to 18 degrees in one of my winter hikes, the first one I ever done. You can check it out here. Do you like that plug?
I like that plug.
Right here, right.
Oh, here, oh, yep, there we go.
Right here. So I took it down to 15 to 18 degrees, and I could not feel cold through the NeoAir at all. Now for the big reveal. This is what I was so excited to get. This is probably the most money I've spent on anything backpacking wise since I bought just the backpack, the Osprey Atmos 65 liter. Oh, baby. What in the world do we have here?
Looks like a pillow.
That's exactly what it is. It's the newest backpack pillow.
To add to the collection of pillows.
I'm just kidding. It's not a pillow. So my friend Kevin, shout out to him. You'll learn more about him here in just a minute.
Coffee break.
What?
Just for me.
I want some.
Oh. Oh. Coffee break over.
All right, let's get back to it. So this, Kevin talked me into it.
He is such a salesman.
Yeah, he needs to be in sales. So this is a Nemo Disco 15.
A sleeping bag for those of us who are not super familiar with all of the lingo.
Yeah, you probably already knew what it was when I put it in the title. Oh, it come with a compression sack. I didn't think it come with a compression sack. Kevin gave me his. So the Nemo Disco 5, of course the name insinuates that you can take it down to 5 degrees. That is comfort level. I didn't look and see what the survival level is, because if it's going to be colder than 15, I'm probably not going. It also comes with this. This is just a stuff sack. I'm sure you already know this, but down material you don't want to keep compressed for extended amount of time, because it's going to lose its loft. And you want to store it in like a laundry bag, or in this case, one of these just stuff sacks.
It's also applicable as a Santa bag, just so you know.
That's true. That's true. This, on the contrary, is a compression sack, which is going to allow you to compress the down inside here, so that it's not going to take up very much room in your backpack. So important. So the Nemo Disco, it comes with some unique features. It's a 15-degree bag, and it comes with a zipper on the left side, but it also has some other zippers, like right here. These are vents, and it's pretty cool. If you get too hot, you just unzip the vents, and it'll let you cool down. Another cool thing is it comes with this.
I thought it had a hole. Like I thought it went through.
No, it's just so that the down isn't so
and that
isn't so lofty
it?
there. Helps ventilate it, and then it has dry down. And I think it may only be in the foot box. You can see it's a different color. So the down in this is water resistant. So. Another really cool thing about the Nemo Disco is it's got this tucks in around your head, and like to keep any airflow from going down while you're laying there. And of course, just like any other mummy sleeping bag.
Knock your coffee over.
I would never knock my coffee over. It's got a zipper so you can open it up and crawl in. Apparently, you also have some type of little pillow stuff, like you can stick your pillow inside of the hood. It's got a hood that cinches up, like most mummy bags do. Hey, I'm trying to make a video here, dogs. So it has this, I'll do a gear review on it whenever I'm a lot more experienced with it, because I just got it today. But it's got this pillow sleeve that you can stick your pillow in. I think that may be it. It's just a sleeping bag. Oh, that's not it. That is not it. The reason I bought this thing is because it is a spoon shape. Apparently Nemo is the only company that does spoon shape. So there's give and take there. Spoon shape means that you're going to have more width in your bag, so it's not as constricting. But the sucky part is that also means there's more room for air around you. So it's a little bit harder to stay warm, I think, because the more air that your body has to heat up, the more energy that takes. So it could be a little bit colder, but all the reviews I read and my friend that has one, he says that I'll be fine, well below freezing. So here's hoping, because we may be putting that to use. So I'm about to tell you what we got coming up.
Just for the record, Jeremiah's more excited than I am.
That's not true. Look at the excitement on this woman's face. So what we got coming up? We have a shakedown hike, and I'll do a video, take you guys along for the adventure. We're gonna go to Red River Gorge, is the plan at the moment, a week from the day I'm filming this video. So the reason we're doing a shakedown hike is because my wife, myself, our good friends Kristen and Kevin, we're going to the FHT. We're going to the FHT. We're going to through hike it.
Whew.
We're going to through hike it. This will be the longest that I've ever been on trail. This will be the longest that Bridgette's ever been on trail. We're going for at least 5 nights.
Okay, don't get me wrong. I'm excited to spend time with my husband and hang out with our friends. I'm not excited about the smelliness that's gonna come with the hiking.
You gotta embrace the stink.
I will embrace it.
She's gonna be so smelly.
Gross.
You're disgusting. So yeah, we got the FHT coming up. We're super excited. Apparently I'm more excited, but that's okay.
That's okay.
But yep.
I keep things interesting.
It's me, Bridget, Kristen, and Kevin. And
yay!
We're gonna do that at the beginning of April. So I think is that it?
Right now, that's it. Who knows what's gonna happen after that?
No, I'm not talking about that. I'm saying for the video.
Oh, Yes.
All right, we gotta go to a birthday party. Happy birthday, Kim. Guys, if you've enjoyed, make sure you smash that like button, smash it into the ground. What else? All that fancy stuff that YouTubers say. Smash.
Subscribe for more.
Did I say smash the like button?
You did.
Yeah, also push that subscription button. The subscription's free, you might as well use it.
Might as well.
And then
Oh, great.
kick the notification bell for the latest notifications. We'll see you in the next video. Come on, Petey. High five it, buddy. Yeah.
Happy birthday to you.